We are continuing with this. We have got it in 1 meter. Okay, so now this is the safe distance. If you are more than this, then you are more safe. Now, provided this is the maximum velocity when a people is doing the coughing and splitting everything. Now, practically speaking, this velocity is much less in practically, but we have a safe distance of 1 meter. So you must now what is the case? So this is the small affected people, and this is the higher height of people. So it will touch in his, maybe in his body, in his cloth. So when you are coming back to your home after roaming, you must wash your clothes properly and waste it in the sun for about 3 hours. Now here, if this angle is very less, and now suppose somebody is coughing in this direction, but the man is here, so there is no problem. In that case, it is that this angle we have taken maximum. If it is greater than this, there is no problem again, because this is the maximum. Theta is 45 degree. Now I will telling you now what are the assumptions in this. This is the, I will tell you, this is the book which is having, this is my book for the engineering students and science students. This is by publication by Lakshmi publication. Okay, Lakshmi publication, University Science Press. I am Dr. Dilip Kumar Adhukji, that you already have seen. Now I will tell you another thing. You will always follow the WHO guidelines. No other guidelines and government has issued with respect, it is in line with the WHO. So you can follow the government guidelines also. Now you see, in our analysis for the students, this we have assumed that is a still air. You understand? There is no velocity of the air. Okay? Maximum initial speed is 3.132. If one person is much higher, I have already told you, than the other one, he is more safe, but he needs to follow WHO guidelines. These guidelines in 19. Okay. Now I will tell you in my, all the guidelines of WHO, please follow it. This video is for the academic interest of the students, those who are is quarantined in the at home. Is good. You stay home and stay safe and do the online, everything on online. Don't go outside Okay, thank you very much.